And we are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Minutes Code channel where I will be explaining the solution of every problem of Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks within less than 5 minutes. Okay, so today's problem of the day is fractional knapsack, which is a medium level problem. And I also think it's a medium level problem for someone who is unaware of knapsack problems, but it's been an easy side if you know knapsack, what is it? Okay, all right, so let's quickly find out what we will be given into this problem and what we have to do. Okay, so we will be given three things: int w, which will be my weight; int n, which will be the length of this array, and this array will be of type item. This array will be length of type item. Okay, so yeah, what we have to do, look, we will be given some weights and value of n items like in this, and we have to put these items in a knapsack. If anyone don't know what knapsack, let's say it's a carry bag. Okay, it's a carry bag now, which has a capacity of w. Okay, which is a capacity of w. Now we can only put w weight items into it, but we have to maximize the total values in the knapsack. Like suppose there's an option to either, like I can only take 1 kilo, and I have an option to take gold or silver. Whatever we will take, we will obviously take gold only. We will not take silver because its value is larger. So that's what we have to do here. Maximum, we have to maximize the value of items in the knapsack. Okay, I think the problem statement is clear. So we will be given values and we will be given weights, and it's not necessary. Look, so suppose I want to, this is that, like this value 60 is the value of this 10. Okay, and 100 is the value of this 20. So it's not necessarily either we have to take this whole 20 weight or we will not take it. We can take it fractionally as well. So this is what is fractional knapsack. Suppose I can only take 1 kilo of it. I can take 2 kilo of it. So what will be the value of 2 kilo of it? Let's say 20 kilo value is 100. So 2 kilo value will be what? 10. Okay, something like this. So in this way, you have to maximize your value. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's it. I have written something for you, notes. So let's jump onto the notes section for it.
Okay, so suppose you have option to pick 1 kg gold or 1 kg silver. What you will pick? As I already told, you will pick 1 kg gold. Why? Because its value is larger. So how are we going to solve this problem? Let's say we have for some time ignore this. Okay, so we have value, we have weight. So first of all, I will find out the value by weight. Like what's the value by weight? Whose value is larger? How I'm going to do by finding this ratio value by weight. Okay, now when I will find the value by weight, I will sort my array on the basis of value by weight, because first of all, I want to take that item. I want to put that item in my bag whose value by weight is larger. Okay, so how are we going to do? Look, I can only put 50 kg. So first of all, I will check, oh, its value is higher, 6. So I will check, oh, can I pick the whole 10 kg? Yeah, I can, because its total value is 50. So I will pick 10 kg, my value will be 60. Okay, and now my remaining capacity will be what? 40. Okay, after that I will come to this point 5. Oh, can I take this? Oh yeah, or it's next value by weight. So I will pick these items. Now can I say, can I take whole 20? Yeah, I can take whole 20. So again my value will be what? 100. Okay, now after that, what will be the total values remaining? 20, because 20 I took, now 20 is remaining. So now the next item is 4. Next item value by weight is 4. Okay, I will pick that. Its value by weight, its weight is what? 30, but I cannot take whole 30. I have to take 20. So what I will do, I will find out its per unit value and I will multiply it by remaining weight. So 30 by 24, now 4 into 20, 80. So the total value is 80. Now my capacity is 0. So when my capacity will be 0, I will simply return this. Okay, that's simple, very simple. Yeah, I think it's very, very simple. So it's basically a greedy problem. By greedy means we will be sorting it on the basis of value by weight. Okay, so how are we going to sort this? Look, it will be something like 60 by 20, because we are given an item array. So 60 by 20. So it will be something like V1 by W1 minus V2 by W2, something like this. So we cannot be like, it will be decimal. So it will make issue. So how are we going to do? Look, we know cross multiplications, everyone know. So can I do something like this? V1 into W2 minus W1 into V2. Can I do this? Look, it's for ascending order. So for descending, I have to reverse it. So it's something like this. So I will give this priority into my priority queue. I will put all the elements and I will simply execute this logic. Okay, I think the problem statement and the problem approach will be here. So you can go and try it by yourself once. And if you have any issue, please let me know. Okay, so yeah, now let's jump on to the code section for it. But before jumping to that, if you have loved the solution, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video and share your feedback. Okay, all right.
Okay, all right. So the approach is clear. Now let's write the code for it. Look, here we will be given an item type of array. So in this item, every index will be having a like a object type of thing, and each object will be having two things: value and weight. So we will be like sorting this on the basis of value by weight. Okay, so that I can get the value per unit. Okay, all right. So I will use Q for it. Q of item, let's say, and let's write it PQ because it will be a priority queue. New priority Q. Okay, something like this. Let's write B comma A, because if I were at A comma B, it will be in ascending order. Now look what I told. What I told, guys, I think everyone knows what I told. A dot value minus B dot weight. Okay, and after that minus B dot value minus A dot weight. Okay, sorry, it will be multiply here. something like this. So in this way we can sort. Okay, I think it's clear. So after that, look what we have to do. We will be taking some variables so that to restore. First of all, I will insert all my item ARR into this PQ so that they get sorted. Okay, so for item I, let's say it will come over ARR. I'm using a for each loop and I will simply add PQ dot add I. Okay, something like this. After that, I will take my double total, which I will be returning. I will be assigning it 0. Now let's go. Let's go, guys. While my weight is greater than 0, okay, and my PQ is not empty, not PQ dot is empty, we will run this. Okay, and after that I will take out one item one by one. TMP, let's say PQ dot poll. So now I will check, look, can I take this whole TMP weight? So if I can, I will simply take it. So if TMP dot weight is greater than equal to my W, which means I can take the entire. If I can take the entire, I will simply add it to my total. So total plus equal to TMP dot value. I think you guys are getting this. And my new weight will be what? W minus equal to TMP dot weight. Okay, something like this. I will have to make this WEIGHT. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, look, if I can't take the whole, I will have to take the fraction. So how can I take the fraction? I will calculate the fraction. So let's say W double frac equal to what? TMP dot value minus divide by TMP dot weight. Okay, and into my W. So it's something like this, but let's do like first of all divide, and after that I will have to change it to double so that it gets typecasted to double, something like this, and after that I will simply add it to my total. So can I write? Yeah, let's write it on the next line. Total plus equal to frac, and my W will be now equal to 0, something like this, and after that simple, let's return my total. Okay, like this. Okay, I can find out one issue that it should be less than, if TMP dot weight is less than W, so then only I can take the entire weight. Otherwise, I cannot take the entire weight. I think you guys are getting. So this was one thing, and one more thing, like I will not typecast this value here. I will be typecasting it before dividing because otherwise it will divide by int. Okay, and it will be resulting in some errors, something like this. Okay, now it's fine. I will explain also why I'm doing this. Let's first of all compile this and check whether it's running or not. Yeah, it's running. Let's try to submit it. So look, why I'm doing this is because let's suppose both are integer. Okay, it value and weight. So if I will do 1 by 2, suppose I will do, I got this. Yeah, it got accepted as well. Suppose I'm doing 1 by 2. So if I'm doing 1 by 2, it will return me 0 because it's taking integer values. But when I will typecast this to 1.0, comma 2.0, something like this, then it will give me 0.5. Okay, so I want this. So that's why I'm typecasting this before. All right, so yeah, that was it. I think it was a beautiful solution, and every one of you have enjoyed the and learned something new today. And yeah, please subscribe the channel, share your feedback, and like the video. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Till then, keep on coding and bye.